Welcome to day 13 of 90 days reels challenge, and from today onwards we are going to start off with different candlestick patterns. So the first kind of candlestick pattern is a big body, and as the name itself suggests that a candle is having a very big body with very smaller shadow, whether it is upper shadow or on the lower shadow, but the body of that particular candle, whether a green candle or a red candle, that is big. Now, if that particular big body of a green candle is formed in an uptrend, that depicts a strong uptrend. And similarly for downtrend as well, if the red candle is having a very big body, the opening and closing price is having a very big difference, that depicts a very strong downtrend. And on the other side, after an uptrend, if a big red candle is formed with a very big body, and similarly after a downtrend, if a big green candle is formed that is with a big body, that depicts the trend reversal after a confirmation. So this is how a big body functions in an uptrend as well as on a downtrend, and how it functions in the form of trend reversal, whether it is from an uptrend to a downtrend and from a downtrend to an uptrend as well. So this is the short glimpse about big body. I'll see you tomorrow with second candlestick pattern.